The eagle is a large, powerful bird of prey known for its keen eyesight and formidable hunting skills. Characterized by a broad wingspan, sharp talons, and a hooked beak, eagles are top predators in their habitats. They are often seen as symbols of freedom and strength, and are featured in various cultural and national emblems around the world. Eagles typically build their nest, known as eyries, in high places like cliffs or tall trees, and they are known for their impressive aerial displays during courtship. Species of eagles can be found worldwide, with varying sizes and habitats, but they all share a majestic and commanding presence in the skies. Eagles, like many birds, have a unique way of blinking, which differs significantly from humans. They possess a nictitating membrane, also known as a third eyelid, which sweeps horizontally across the eye. Eagles are found in various parts of the world, inhabiting a diverse range of environments from mountains and coastal regions to forests and grasslands. Species like the bald eagle and the golden eagle are well known in this region. The bald eagle, famous as the national bird of the United States, is primarily found in the US and Canada, while the golden eagle is widespread across North America and also into Eurasia. Harpy eagle, one of the largest and most powerful eagles, resides in tropical rainforests of Central and South America. The wedge-tailed eagle is the largest bird of prey in Australia and is found throughout the mainland and Tasmania. New Guinea and some Pacific islands also have their native eagle species. Each of these regions offers unique habitats and ecosystems that support the diverse species of eagles. Their widespread distribution is a testament to their adaptability and the varying ecological roles they play in different environments.